What if I told you in 2026, AI isn't coming, it's already here. It's taking jobs, but also handing out leverage to anyone who grabs it. Everyday Americans just like you, in their 30s and 40s, are already winning, turning prompts into 6K month agencies, building six-figure content from scratch, doubling business revenue without extra hires. You don't need to code, you need to start. Step 1. Open ChatGPT or Grok today. Play for 10 minutes. Step 2. Pick one use. Better emails, ideas, automation. Step 3. Do 30 minutes daily. Stack wins. Momentum builds fast. AI is here. Your future is waiting. Grab it right now. Smash like if you're starting today. Comment "I'm in" plus your first tool. Subscribe for more AI fire.